Hello everyone, welcome to Journey with Shar on this lovely Thursday. Happy St. Patrick's Day or St. Patty's Day, however you say it. I hope you all enjoying your day and have a safe evening, because I know a lot of people are going out on days like this, okay, to celebrate St. Patty's Day. Today we're going to make the ravioli. Now you can use whatever mix you like, whatever sauce you like. You can use a vodka sauce, white vodka sauce. You can use a delicious, they have a vodka sauce. This is what they're known for, is their vodka sauce, the Rao'S. But I'm just going to do a marinara sauce with a little bit of just some cheese on top, and she is good to go, you guys. You can add mushrooms to this too as well if you like, but this is something really quick so I can do a taste test so you all can see if it's even worth it. This is the traditional 5 cheese ravioli. It's imported Irish aged cheddar with shredded mozzarella, creamy white cheddar, velvet ricotta, however you say that, and Parmesan cheese, okay? And it's done in 3 minutes. And what I love about these ravioli, this is on the back. This is the calorie information. I hope you all can see that. And the ingredients and the nutrition facts, okay? And then we're gonna flip this one over. This one has, what I love about it, it has a sauce. So I'm going to stop that right there. And it has a Baru Irish vodka sauce, okay, you guys? For those of you who want that. And it tells you what drink pairing, recipe, pint of Irish ale. So it's telling you Irish ale goes well with this. I like the fact that they included that. So this is the ingredients and how to for the Irish vodka sauce. So I hope you all can see that, giving you a recipe there. I love when you get dishes or items from the store and it has a recipe on the back, okay? So there we go. And this is 3 tablespoons of butter, onion, Baru Irish vodka, crushed tomatoes, heavy cream, and pepper. And I know that that would be absolutely delicious, but she doesn't have time today. But so we're just going to use the tomato, okay? So let's get this started. Right now I have some water boiling here. Once that gets to a nice boil, I'm going to add the pasta and then we'll get started. Let that get going and then we'll add the tomato sauce and I'll taste it for you. You all stay tuned. So just to let you know as well, this asks for salted water, and you're going to let it come to a, let me put it here. So bring 4 quarts of salted water to a rapid boil. Place 1 tray of product into water. Turn down the heat, okay? And you want to also of salted water. So you want to also add salt to this water, okay? And then add the content of 1 of the trays inside and let it come to a rapid boil. And then let it cook, all right? So you guys stay tuned. How cute are these, right? So festive and cute. All right, we're almost done. All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead on and set these in. All right, stay tuned. Okay, they plumped up really pretty, you guys. So let's flip one so that you can see. Look how pretty that ravioli is. Isn't that beautiful? So I know it's awesome with the vodka sauce, but like I said, I don't have time to do that today. But yes, this looks so delicious. So I'm gonna let them go a little longer, and I'm going to get the sauce ready, and I'm going to drain these and then we'll add them back to the sauce, okay? All right, you all, so we have our Rao'S sauce here ready to go. I'll go ahead and pour this inside. Yummy, yummy Rao'S sauce. Okay, I like to squeeze to put the top back on and then put it upside down just to get the rest, and then add a little bit of water. So this is where we at with the beautiful ravioli. As you can see, it's steaming, it's still hot. Now you can add onions, basil, all of that stuff you want to this. I don't have fresh basil, so I am going to add a little bit of basil, but let me just reassure you that a bit of basil, just a tiny bit of basil. Rao'S needs no help. That is one sauce that literally I don't have to add anything to this sauce but whatever I want to add to it, as far as like ravioli, meats, different things like that. Rao'S is one of the best sauces. If you have never tried it, look how bright and red that beautiful sauce is. What we're going to do is go ahead on and drop those beautiful raviolis in there. Okay. And just like nicely cover them. I don't want to break them because they're so pretty. One was already kind of bursted open earlier. But yeah, so we're just going to go ahead on and add that little sauce and just let them come together and get nice and warm. All right, but basil will be beautiful in here. A little bit of onion in here, fresh garlic if you want in here, okay? You can do all of that, but today we're just doing a simple little taste test. I'm not adding anything else but just what you see here in this pot, all right? So stay tuned. Just some Parmesan Reggiano cheese. All right, stay tuned. So I grated some Parmesan Reggiano cheese here, and then I'm also gonna grate some on the top. But this is where we're at, you guys. And it's at a nice boil, and we're about done. Y'all, that looks so delicious. Now mushrooms, I'm gonna add mushrooms later. I don't have mushrooms. I ate all my mushrooms, but mushrooms will be delightful in this dish. All right, so that's what we look like, and now I'm gonna do the taste test, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so that is what it looks like, and it looks delicious. It would be beautiful with the white sauce. I do see where that would be lovely. So we have a little bit of Parmesan. I had this in there. I still use it all the way to the end, so I grated some fresh Parmesan Reggiano, and we're just going to pour that on, and we're just going to put some of that on top of there, just enough. And let's go in. You guys see the beautiful shamrock there, so we're going to go in. Oh, that breaks up very nicely. And let's just see what we have here. All right, take a bite. Oh, that nice cheddar in the inside of there. Y'all see that ricotta cheese in there a little bit, and that cheddar, all the nice textures. Oh, it's amazing, you guys. And the ravioli is so soft, and it just breaks up perfectly. Look at that ricotta in there. That's delicious. All right, you all, so happy St. Patty's Day. I hope you enjoyed this really quick taste test of the Rao'S homemade marinara with the beautiful Shamrock ravioli from Costco. All right, you all, thank you so much for tuning into Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you, and you all can come and check me out and see what I'm doing. All right, this is going to be perfect with garlic bread too as well. All right, thank you so much. You guys be safe as you go out and celebrate. Be kind to one another, love one another. Remember, always trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. Bon appetit. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.